Hi everyone, hope you're all Tickety-Boo. Today I'm going to show you how this little geezer here can change your life with your Ronin SC. It's so small you can put it in the palm of your hand and then make it appear here, because that's gone. It's magic. See you in a sec. So welcome to Wake Up Wednesday, everyone. What I'm going to do on this part of the channel is only going to last about a minute or two each time. It's going to give you some tips that I've either found and made up myself or actually learnt from others, because while you're in YouTube and things like that, it's really hard to sort of like search for everything, and hopefully some of these ideas will help you improve yours like they have for me. So today is around the Ronin SC. So up until now I've had the Weebill Lab, and the great thing with the Weebill Lab was that underslung mode, the one where you can have it on there. The problem with this one is it doesn't have it. However, the build quality on this, the apps on it and everything else, yeah, it's so much better. It's just, you know, it's like a Rolls Royce compared to, I don't know, a Morris Minor. Anyway, the other one does do well, so I'm not going to slate that because it's done me proud. But what I want to do today is give you an idea on how you can make this better than the Weebill Lab when it comes to underslung mode, and also make your life a lot easier. So I showed you that little geezer earlier on. Now that's actually made by Zhiyun, so what I'm going to do is show you what I've done with it. Let's have a look at it. Okay, what we've got is two of these here, and you'll see why in a minute. It's another little hack or trick I'm going to give you, but they're really easy to fit. Let's get the old Ronin SC, okay, and all you need to do, yeah, is unscrew that one, whoop, drop it at the same time, whack it in there, as you would normally. Now, inside there is, I don't know if you can see it, a screw there. I'm not going to tighten it up for this, but you can get the old screwdriver on there if you want to leave it on permanently. And these here, okay, then go on the end of the tripod, okay. So just like that, and then literally it is pulled back and slots in, okay. So as you can see, that then works just as it normally would, but then comes off. But here's that other little hack, okay. This is another product by Zhiyun, okay, and it was like a little grip for the version 2 cranes. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but it's reasonably cheap. I think it's about 12-15 quid, and these are about 12-15 quid each, or about 20 bucks. But what you can do if you've got two of these, as I'll show you, okay, is whack one of them on there like that. Yeah. Take out the screw bit, which then could be used to be adapted onto another one if you've got more than one of these. If you're lucky enough to have a Ronin S, you can stick it on there as well. And then what you've got is interchangeable pieces of kit. So there you are, normal tripod, yeah, all working fine, as you can see. And then quick switch over into here. And what this will do, if I can do it quickly, okay, is gives you the underslung mode, whereas the same as the Zhiyun, I never pronounce it right, Weebill Lab. There you go. See you in a sec. So there you go, everyone. That little geezer has made your life a lot easier, and in a minute or less I've shown you how you can adapt yours. Yeah, like I said, I'm no expert on it, but I think this definitely will save your life. They save your life. If it does that, it's an amazing piece of kit. Mind you, you could hit somebody with it if they were attacking you, couldn't you? There's links down below if you want to go and buy the kit from Amazon. I think they're only UK links, but yeah, you can go and search for it yourself. And yeah, they are affiliated links, so yeah, we do get some kit back on it. So if you feel that you want to help us on the channel, then why not use those? What we're going to do every Wednesday though is come up with some little ideas like this. Some we'll make up, some we'll steal off of others even, just that you can have a little reference to go to make your life a little bit easier and hopefully help improve your YouTube channel. And also on that, we might review a few bits and bobs as well as we go along. But to be honest with you, this is the best thing I've ever seen to be able to put onto a competitor's product. But they are made by Zhiyun, but they are fully metal, really easy to put on and put off again, really easy. And the best thing is you can take that one off, stick that one down, grab the other one, put it in, and you're in underslung mode just like that. So anyway, if you got any questions, queries, anything like that, leave them down in the comments. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up as normal. Why don't you subscribe if you want to? You never know, you might find something useful from me. And at the end of the day, yeah, it only takes a minute and a bit to watch one of these. So if there's something else as well that you're after and you're struggling or want an idea on, why don't you leave it in the comments with #WWW, or drop us a line on Twitter, on Instagram. All the links to them are down below. Anyway, that's it for today. Cheers and go on.